question. A statue of 1.6 meter tall. One statue of tall, how much it is? 1.6 meter. Stands on the top of pedestal. Find a point, from a point on the ground. Here three objects. One is statue, one is pedestal, means like stand. So on this pedestal, the statue is stand, right? So on this pedestal, the statue. So you got image I guess. So three objects. And there is one point. There is one point on the ground. So total three objects. One is the point on the ground. One more is statue which stands on pedestal. Okay? Yes. The angle of elevation of, here is angle of elevation. So angle of elevation means above the horizontal line. So your angle goes like this. So the angle of elevation of the top of the statue. The angle of elevation of top of the statue is 60 degree. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of top of pedestal is 45 degree. From where? From a point. From the point to the top of statue. From the point to the top of the statue, the angle of elevation is 60 degree. And same from the point to the top of the pedestal, the angle of elevation is how much here? 45 degree. So find the height of pedestal. So here answer, first I draw a rough figure and I give one rough explanation. Okay. So here what is given? A statue stands on pedestal. So assume that this is one pedestal. Okay. So on this one statue is standing. So what is the height of this statue? It is 1.6 meter. 1.6 meter. So AB is a statue and BC is what? Pedestal. So on this pedestal, statue. Clear? The height of pedestal is not given. Next, from a point on the ground. From this point. This is point on ground. So this is the point means this is your horizontal line. So from the point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue. So A be the top of the statue, B be the bottom of the statue. D is the top of the pedestal, C is the foot of the pedestal, right? So now 60 degree is angle of elevation of the top of the statue from where? From a point. That means from this point to the top, from this point to the top of the statue, the angle of elevation, this total angle is how much here? 60 degree. Clear? From the point, so read it properly, from the point on the ground, the angle of elevation to the top of a statue. So to the top of statue is 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. So take this point as D. Take that point as D. So now first consider. So next still it is there. It is not complete diagram. It is incomplete diagram. First I will take this for 60 degree. So I will take trigonometric ratio for 60 degree. Then you don't get confusion. Okay. So now 60 degree. Correct now? So this, what is your triangle? With respect to this 60 degree, your triangle is ACD. So in the triangle, this is your rough explanation, don't write this. So in triangle, which triangle? ACD. So now which one you are writing? This is opposite side and this is adjacent side. So tan, how much here? Tan 60 is AC divided by BC. Correct now? What is the tan 60? Root 3 is equal to AC. AC is, what is the length of AC? It is not given. So in between AC there is a point B, right? So how we can write this? This as AB plus BC, AB plus BC, and CD is not given. Let it be like CD or DC. So So root 3 is equal to AB is how much here? 1.6 plus BC is not given, DC also not given, so keep it as it is. So now you can cross multiply. Root 3 DC is equal to 16 plus BC, that will be equation number 1. So this equation number is with respect to 60 degree. Clear? So your figure is not complete and that explanation also not completed. So I am simplifying part by part. So with respect to 60 degree. Understood, no? So 60 degree means you have to take this total triangle, that is ACD. Now next we will see one more is given, that is 45 degree. So from the same point, the angle of elevation, from this point, the angle of elevation is above that. The angle of elevation to where? To the top of pedestal. So what is a pedestal? Pedestal is BC. So which is your top here? B is top of pedestal. So from where to where the angle of elevation? From this point to the top. So what will be your figure? Figure is like this. Correct, no? To the top of pedestal, from that point, the angle of elevation is only this angle, that is equal to 45 degree. Now with respect to 45 degree, now take the triangle. Which triangle? BC, this one. Correct now? So 45 degree means this is angle. It includes these two lines. With respect to these two lines, the triangle is this one. Correct now? So which triangle it is? In the triangle. In right angle triangle, which is that? BCD. Triangle BCD. Yes. What is your tan theta? Tan theta is opposite side divided by adjacent side. That is BC divided by BC. So tan, how much here? Theta is 45 degree. What is your BC? BC is not given. Keep it as it is, and BC also not given. The distance between the point and the foot of pedestal, it is not given in the question. So keep that as it is. Tan 45 is what? 1 is equal to BC divided by DC. So DC is equal to BC, that will be equation number 2. So you got 1 and 2. Next what I need? I need find the height of the pedestal. So by using equation number 1 and equation number 2, get the height of the pedestal. What is your height of the pedestal? BC is pedestal, means BC is height of the pedestal. So what to find there? From the equation you have to find out what is your BC. How to get BC? By solving equation number 1 and equation number 2. Don't write this one. So now we will rewrite it again. I'll explain it again. Important is for 4 marks. Yes. So we will start now. This one write it in our notes. Okay. We will start again. Let us repeating. A statue is 1.6 meter. So figure, this is statue, that is AB. What is height of that? 1 meter. That stands on pedestal. So let it be this point is, this is one pedestal. Otherwise I'll write like this only. So this is pedestal, that is BC. So this is from a point. So there is one point. This is point. So this point means this is your horizontal level, that is ground level. From a point, the angle of elevation to the top of the statue. To this top of the statue, the angle of elevation is 60 degree. So this complete angle is 60 degree. And from the same point, the angle of elevation to the top of pedestal. So to the top of pedestal, the angle of elevation is how much here? 45 degree. So that is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. And height of the pedestal means find BC. So now we will write from the figure. So what are that? From the figure. What is that? AB. Let AB, what it is? Be a statue. Stands on 6 meter. Next is what? What is your BC? BC, B pedestal of height h. That is your question now. That means find the height of pedestal, that is h. H is equal to what? BC. H is equal to BC. That is your question now. That means in question you have to find out what is your BC is equal to. That BC is height of the pedestal. And next, what is that? Theta 60 degree and theta 45 degree. So theta is equal to 60 degree is angle of elevation, to the top of statue from a point. Okay. Now next, theta is equal to 45 degree is angle of elevation to the top of pedestal from a point. Which point I mark here? A, B, C, D. From a point D. Now consider triangles. Which triangle? First with respect to 60 degree. So 60 degree means this is your 60 degree, right? So it includes this line and this line. So in between those two lines, which triangle it is? A, C, D. So in the triangle, that is right angle triangle, A, C, D. So what is your tan theta? Tan theta is equal to, this angle is theta, so this is opposite side, this is your adjacent side. Opposite side is AC divided by adjacent side is DC. So now substitute. Tan is how much here? 60 degree is equal to AC. AC is completely given? No. So AC is divided into two parts, that is AB and DC. So how we can write AC? AC we can write it as AB plus DC. So it is AB plus BC. DC keep it as it is. DC is actually it is distance from the point to the pedestal. It is not given, so keep it as it is. Now what is your tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3 is equal to AB. What is given AB? AB is 1.6 plus BC is not given, divided by DC. Now cross multiply. Root 3 means it is root 3 by 1. Cross multiplication will get as BC into root 3 is equal to 1 into this case 1.6 plus BC. Let it be equation number 1. Now don't simplify that, keep it as it is. Now next 60 degree we completed. Now with respect to 45 degree, identify the triangle. This is your 45 degree. It is in between these two lines. Means what is your triangle? Triangle is BCD. Yes. In the triangle, in right angle triangle, that is BCD. What is the tan theta? Tan theta is opposite side divided by adjacent side, that is BC divided by DC. So now tan theta is how much here? 45 degree. Theta is 45 degree. Theta 45 degree. DC is not given. DC is not given. So keep it as it is. BC divided by DC. What is your tan 45 degree? Tan 45 is what? Is equal to BC divided by DC. So cross multiply. 1 means it is 1 divided by 1. 1 into DC is DC. 1 into DC is BC. So it is DC is equal to BC. Let it be equation number 1. Sorry, number 2. Now simplify 1 and 2. Get the height of the pedestal. So height of the pedestal means which notation we took? We took BC is height of the notation. So that means what to find? I need BC is equal to. How to get BC is equal to? So substitute in equation number 1. That is equation number 2. Substitute equation number 2 in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is what? BC root 3 is equal to 1.6 plus BC. What we need? I 1.6. Now BC is common, so take it outside. It is root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. I need BC is equal to BC into. So that into, when it goes to that side, it comes as divide. That is root 3 minus 1. So BC is what? The height of pedestal. But here it is denominator, we can rationalize. So rationalize the denominator. BC is equal to 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1 into root 3. Here minus means plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. So now simplification is, this is equal to BC equal to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 divided by, after rationalization which formula you are using? This A minus B, A plus B, which is equal to what? A square minus B square. So BC is equal to 1.6 root 3 plus 1 divided by using formula A minus B, A plus B is what? A square, means root 3 square minus 1 square. So BC is equal to 1.6 root 3 plus 1. So root 3 square is square and square root cancel, that is 3 minus 1 square is 1. So BC is equal to 1.6 into square root of 3 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. Now can you simplify 2 and 1.6? Can you divide this? Yes. Is it possible to cancel here? This is not possible. Bracket keep it as it is. Now divide this one. So BC is equal to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1. That is meter is height of pedestal. That is height of pedestal. Now how to divide this? How we got 0.6? 1.6 divided by 2. So by 1 it is not possible. So 0. How much it is? 16 means 8. So 8 2s are 16. So it is equal to 0. So 0.8. 0.8 is height of the pedestal. Next question. So figure is given. For this question, figure is given. A TV tower stands vertically on bank of canal. So this is TV tower. AB is TV tower which stands on bank of canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower. So from a point, the angle of elevation to the top of tower is 60. So from this point to the top of the tower, the angle of elevation is 60. Okay, so from this, the angle of elevation is 60. So now, is it right? This is not there. So now with respect to 60 degree, you have to find out the what? This one, triangle, right? Which triangle it is? ABC. In triangle ABC. So first you have to write. So with respect to, first only consider first angle. Don't bother about the second angle. So this is 60 degree, right? So if it's 60 degree means which triangle we can take here? ABC, correct? No? So in the triangle ABC, what is that? Tan theta is equal. This is opposite side, hypotenuse side and adjacent side. So which is the opposite side? AB divided by adjacent side is BC. So that is tan theta. Theta is how much here? 60 degree. AB is not given, correct? No? AB is not given. Height of the TV tower is not given. BC also not given. The distance is not given. So that is AB by BC. So tan 60 is how much it is? Root 3 is equal to AB divided by BC. So rearrange. BC root 3 is equal to AB, that is equal to equation number 1. So tan theta, that is 60 degree. So equation number 1. Now we complete that figure. So one angle we got. So from this point to the top of the tower, the angle of elevation is 60 degree. Next, from another point 20 meter away from this point. So another point is this point. D is another point. That D is how much distance? 20 meter away from this point, not from the foot of the tower. Okay. one more point D, which is 20 meter away from this point. The angle of elevation to the top of tower is 30 degree. Now your work is, with respect to 30 degree, write the triangle. With respect to 30 degree, write the triangle. So 30 degree is this one, correct? No? This is 30 degree. So which is your triangle? Triangle is ABD. So in the triangle, ABD, so which angle it is? Tan 30. Tan 30 degree is equal to, which is your opposite side? This is a triangle, means this is the angle, this is opposite side and this is adjacent side. So tan 30 is what? AB divided by adjacent side is BD. Tan 30 is what? 1 by root 3. AB is not given, the height of the tower is not given. So what is your BD? BD is in between C, correct? No? BD, the point is C. So how we can split this? BC plus DC. BD is BC plus DC. So 1 by root 3 is equal to AB divided by DC is how much here? BC is not given. DC is how much here? 20. So how we can write? BC plus 20 cross multiply, then you will get as equation number 2. Simplify equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now what to find here? Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower means AB. So what to find out from equation number 1 and equation number 2? The height of the tower, and also find the width of the canal. So this is the width of the canal, means you have to find out BD. To find BD, so DC is known, only this part should be known. How to find this part? By using equation number 1 and equation number 2. So don't write this one. So now we'll start again. So I think you understood this figure. Correct? No, figure is given. If figure is given, then simplification is very easy. This. So TV tower stands on canal from a point. So from this point, the angle of elevation to the top is 60 degree. Next, so from next point, which is 20 meter away from this point. So now here to here is 20. It is from here to here 20. The angle of elevation to the top of tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and width of the tower. Height of the tower means AB. Width of the tower means it is, width of the canal means it is BD. So now we will write in sentence. In the given figure, from the given figure, first write it, what is that? AB be the height of tower, height of TV tower. So that is AB is equal to question mark. Next, what it is? BD. BD is the width of canal. So that is also question mark. That is question mark. Theta 60 degree. Theta is equal to 60 degree. The angle of elevation from C to the top of tower. Tower means here TV tower. Next, theta is 60 degree. The angle of elevation from angle of elevation 20 meter away from the point C. From the point C, okay. From this point 20 meter away, the angle of elevation is 30. This is 30. So now what to find out here? AB, the height of the tower. What to find out? Width of the canal, that is BD. So now with respect to angles. First take for 60 degree. So in the right angle triangle, which is that right angle triangle? 60 degree. This is your 60 degree. 60 degree means in between these two lines. So what is your triangle? ABC. So in triangle ABC, tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, AB divided by BC. So tan how much here? Tan 60 degree is equal to AB is not given, BC also not given. That to find. So tan 60 is what? Root 3 is equal to AB divided by BC, cross multiply. So root 3 means root 3 by 1. So cross multiplication, AB is equal to root 3 or BC into root 3. Let it be equation number 1. Now next, this completed. 60 degree triangle is completed. Next 30 degree. So this is between 30 means which triangle it is? This ABD. So in right angle triangle, this ABD, again tan theta is, what is the opposite side? AB. What is the adjacent side? DB. So tan how much here? Tan 30 degree. AB divided by DB is splitted. DB is splitted as BC plus BC or BC plus BC plus CD. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. AB is not given. So now BC also not given. What is your BC? BC is 20. So BC plus 20. Now cross multiply. So this into this. So what is answer? AB root 3 is equal to BC plus 20. Let it be equation number 2. What I need is AB and BD. First substitute AB in that equation, that is equation number 2. So now substitute equation number 1 in equation number 2. So if you substitute this AB, so AB can be replaced as what? BC root 3. This is your AB. AB root 3. So AB is what? BC root 3 and this is root 3 is equal to BC plus 20. Clear now? In equation 2 I am substituting. Equation 2 is AB into root 3. AB is what? BC into root 3. BC into root 3 into root 3. This root 3 is equal to BC as it is, 20 as it is. So already you know BC root 3 into root 3 is how much here? 3. So that is 3BC is equal to BC plus 20. So this is BC and this is BC like this. So take this BC to that side. So it is 3BC minus BC is equal to 20. So 3BC minus BC is how much here? 2BC is equal to 20. So what is your BC? BC is equal to 20 divided by 2, that is 10. So what is that BC? BC, it is 10 meter or this one that is not given. So let it be as it is. It is BC is equal to 10 units. Meter or centimeter, generally we are writing as unit. So BC is equal to 10. BC is equal to 10 units. Now next what I need is, see BC we got. BC is how much here? 10. How to get BD? I need what is the width of the canal? BD, right? So to find BD, so DC is 20, BC just now we got, that is 10. So what is width of the canal? Width of the canal is 20 plus 10. So width of the canal is 20 plus 10. Therefore, width of the canal, what is the width of the canal? DB, which is equal to BC plus BC. BC is 20, BC is how much here? 10. So 20 meter given. So BC, write it as meter, 10 meter, and this is also meter. So 20 plus 10 is 30 meter. So what is width of the canal? Width of the canal is 30 meter. Now next one more question. What is the height of the TV tower? Height of the tower means AB. So how to get AB? AB is equal to this one. So now substitute. So now from equation number 1, AB is equal to BC root 3, right? So that is BC is how much we got? BC is 10. So that is 10 root 3 meter. So AB is equal to how much? 10 root 3. What is that? AB is height of TV tower. Is height of TV tower. So we got what is the height of TV tower? Height of the TV tower is 10 root 3 meter. Here we can't rationalize. So this is your final answer, 10 root 3 meter. And what is the width of the canal? That is a question. Width of the canal is 30 meter. This is important for 5 marks or 4 marks. The next question. A tree breaks due to wind and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground. I think you got picture, right? A tree breaks due to wind. The broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground. And that makes an angle of 30 degree with it, means with the ground. The broken part which makes an angle of 30 degree with the ground. The distance between the foot of the tree, to the point where the top touches the ground, is 8 meter, not 80, 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. So first I'll give one rough explanation. Don't write this part. Afterwards I'll give proper explanation. See, don't write this in your notes. First listen here. So what is according to that sentence? Try to draw a figure. Just imagine there is one tree which breaks due to. So this is tree which breaks due to means like this. Correct no? So here is one tree. So from the ground level. So AB be the initial position of the tree. Due to wind it breaks. So that the top of the tree. Suppose here it breaks here. And that bends like this, correct no? So then it comes like this. Try to imagine. See. Assume that this is the tree. Okay. So initially tree is like this, correct no? So due to wind it breaks. So that top of the tree. So not completely break down. So it breaks like this. This is the top of the tree and this is foot of the tree. Correct? No, it is on the ground. Clear? Because of wind it breaks and top of the tree touches the ground. Top of the tree touches the ground means now it breaks like this it breaks. So and it touches the ground. Understood no? So that only I drawn here. So that is, so initial position of or initially AB is the height of the tree. Due to wind it breaks from here to here. Assume that it breaks here and the breaken part, this part comes like this. Correct no? Come like this and that touches the ground. Clear? So now I will take this as a C and D. So what is your CD? CD is the broken part of the tree. Is CD is equal to CA? Yes. Whatever length CA, that same length is the broken part. Correct no? So AC is equal to CD. Why it is equal? This part is broken and that broken part which touches the ground means CD touches the ground and that makes an angle of 30 degree. This broken part making an angle of 30 degree with it means with the ground. Clear this? Yes. Now distance between. So what is given? Distance between. Distance between the foot of the tree. This is the foot of the tree. Distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground. Where the top touches the ground at the point D. So distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree where it touches the ground is how much here? 8 meter. So that means BD is how much here? 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. Find the height of the tree means you have to find out what is your total height. What is your AB? Understood, no? So AB is question mark. AB is question mark. So now AB is split into how many parts? 2 parts. So I will take this as X, BC as X. This I will take it as H. So what is our AB? AB is what it is? H plus X. Correct, no? AB is H plus X. Now what is the wall of CD? By finger can you? What is the wall of CD? CD is equal to AC. Can I write this is equal to H? Yes. So whatever it is broken part, the same part makes with the ground. So therefore the length of AC is equal to length of CD. Length of AC I took as H and length of CD also H because this is the broken part. Clear? Now if you see this you can identify the figure or what is your angle? Angle is 30 degree. With this 30 degree can you find out the triangle? Yes. This is your triangle. Which is your triangle? Triangle CBD. Don't write this now. CBD. Yes, now fine. What I need what is the wall of X. I need what is the wall of H. Clear? So now here this BD is 8 meter. So any trigonometric ratios you can take, right? Any trigonometric ratios. So how to take now? Is it possible to take tan? So here tan 30 degree is equal to what is our tan 30? This is angle means this is opposite side, hypotenuse side and adjacent side, right? Yes, now which is your opposite side? X divided by adjacent side is how much here? 8. Tan 30 is what? 1 by root 3 is equal to X divided by 8. So can you find what is our X? Yes, get this cross multiply. X into root 3 is X root 3. 8 into 1 is 8. So what is our X? X is equal to 8 divided by root 3. So what is that X? To find AB we got X is equal to. Correct, no? So now next we need to find what is your H. So how to find H? Here H is this hypotenuse. So now use trigonometric ratio with the hypotenuse. Which is better? See. So hypotenuse is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. That is what your side. Right? So instead of that take this one. Which one? Cos phi. Otherwise you can take sine also. Both same. So better take sine or sine angle you can take or cos you can take. But I need H. That means hypotenuse side I need. So take a trigonometric ratio with the hypotenuse side. Okay. So better take. I will take here cos. So what is the cos 30? Cos 30 is equal to what is the cos? Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse side. So 8 divided by H. Cos 30 is how much? Cos 30. It is root 3 divided by 2 is equal to 8 divided by H. Cross multiply. H root 3 is equal to 16. H root 3 is equal to 16. So what is the root 3? Root 3 is 16 divided by, what is the H? H is 16 divided by root 3. So H also got. So now can you find out what is the AB? AB is H plus X. H is 16 divided by root 3. divided by root 3. Simplify, get your answer. Yes. Now we repeat again. Yes. Again, how to start? How to start? Answer. First you should draw the figure. Now write this one in your notes. Okay. So now again I am repeating. This is very very important. Very important for 5 marks or 4 marks in the question. Say a tree breaks due to wind. So there is one tree, that is AB. Yeah, AB is be a tree. Broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches. Suppose assume that here it breaks. So that point is the broken point, and that form that touches the ground. The top of the tree touches the ground. So I mark it as a D. Mark it as D. Okay, that makes an angle of 30 degree with the ground. Next is the distance between foot of the tree and the top of the tree which touches the ground is 8 meter. This 8 meter. So finding the height of the tree means you have to find what is your AB. So I take BC is H, AC is H. So because AC is H means CD is also H. Right? So now I will write from figure. From figure, let AB be the initial height of tree. Initial height of tree. So that is AB is equal to what? X plus H. Otherwise AB is equal to AC plus BC, which is equal to X plus H. Like to find out, that is your question now. The height of the tree. Now next is which one? AC is equal to CD, that is equal to H, is what? Is the broken part of a tree. The broken part of a tree. Broken part of tree. The next here, BD is equal to 8 meter. What is that? BD is equal to 8 meter. Otherwise, the distance between the top of the tree, top of the tree and foot of the tree is what? It is BD, that is equal to 8 meter. Next, 30 degrees angle. So theta is equal to 30 degree. So now in the right angle triangle, which one it is? CDD. So I'll use this one first. I need X, that's why I use this one. So here tan 30 is equal to, it is what? CB divided by DD. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to, CB is X divided by DD is 8. I need X cross multiply. So we'll get X root 3 is equal to 8. So X is equal to 8 divided by root 3. Now don't rationalize, keep it as it is. How much it is? Meter. So I need this one, so keep it as it is. Now next I need H. So use this one, hypotenuse. So with hypotenuse, which is your trigonometry ratio, sine you can use or cos you can use. I use cos here. Cos, how much here? 30 degrees is equal to BD divided by hypotenuse is CD. So cos 30 is root 3 divided by 2 is equal to BD is 8 divided by CD is H. Again cross multiply and get your H. It is H root 3 is equal to 16. So H is equal to what? 16 divided by root 3. So therefore AB is equal to what? X plus H is equal to, X is 8 by 3, that is 8 by root 3 plus I need AB is equal to, correct no? AB, that is initial height of the tree or height of the tree is X plus H I need. So x 8 plus root 3, h is 16 by root 3. So denominator say means what is the answer? Root 3 is 8 plus 16 by taking LCM. You are familiar with this one. So AB is equal to 16 plus root 3 is 24 divided by root 3. So final answer should be rationalized. So rationalize root 3 divided by root 3. So AB is equal to 24 root 3 divided by 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 ones are 3 8s are. So it is 8 root 3 meter is what the height of the tree. Is the height of tree. Height of tree. So this is very important question. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. Kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. Suppose this is your ground. Suppose this is ground. At what height the kite is flying? So suppose here is kite and that kite is at a height of 60 meter. So that means here to here distance is how much here? 60 meter. Clear? The string attached to the kite. There is a string. The kite attached to the string. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. So there is a string which tied to this one and that is tied to point on the ground. Now this kite is flying at a height of 60 meter. Got now? The inclination of the string, with the ground is 60 degree. Is 60 degree. Find the length of the string. The length of the string. Assume that there is no slack. There is no slack means it is not like zigzag. It is like straight. Clear now? So here is kite. This is kite. Kite already you know, right? Yes. And this is string of that kite. And at what height it is flying? It is flying at a height of 60 meters. That is 6 meter. And the string is tied to a point on the ground. And there is no slack means there is no zigzag. So it is like straight line. Right now? So now what to find here? Find the length of the string. That means this here to find. So I mark this A, this as B and this as a C. So what is your AC? AC is height from the ground. What is your BA? BA is length of the string. What is theta? Theta is 60 degree. So now tell me which formula we can use here. I need AB. So this is opposite side, hypotenuse side and adjacent side, right? Opposite side is given, hypotenuse side is to find. So we don't want this adjacent side, so leave that adjacent side. Only concentrate on opposite and hypotenuse side. So which trigonometry ratio we can use here? It is sine trigonometry. Yes, now we'll write this. So now write this in your notes. Okay. So first draw a triangle. So that is kite. This is kite. Next the height of kite. And this is string. So point A, point B and point C. Okay. So and this angle is how much here? Angle is how much here? 60 degree. What is the height? Height is how much? Height is 60 meter, not 6 meter. It is 60 meter. Height is 60 meter. Yes. So now we write. See here from figure, and this string is not in zigzag position. It is in straight because it is given as there is no slack. Okay. From figure, yes. What is that? Length of string. Length of string AC is equal to question mark. Right? So now next, from figure, the height of kite from ground level is what? AB. AB is equal to 60 meter. Next, theta is 60. So which triangle? In right angle triangle. In right angle triangle ABC. ABC. So this is 60 meter. AC is question mark. Opposite side, hypotenuse side, adjacent side. So adjacent side is not necessary. Only opposite and hypotenuse side. So which we can use? Sin theta is equal to AB divided by AC. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse side. So now next sin theta. Theta is how much? 60 degree is equal to AB is how much? 60 divided by AC is not given. Sin 60 is what? Sin 60 is root 3 divided by 2 is equal to 60 divided by AC. So now cross multiply. AC into root 3 is equal to 60 into 2. So AC root 3 is equal to 60 into 2 is 120. So therefore AC is equal to what? 120 divided by root 3. In this chapter, rationalize into root 3 divided by root 3. So AC is equal to 120 root 3 divided by 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So how much? 3 ones are 340. So it is 40 root 3 meter. 40 root 3 meter. What is the AC? AC is the length of the string. Is the length of the string. Is the length of the string. This length of the string. Very simple question. Okay.